A wonderful 3-bedroom semi-detached home situated within the Upper Beaches Estates neighborhood. Welcome to 73 Crossover Street. This 3-story home has a front yard landscaped with stone and perennial plantings, while exterior columns add a stately finish to its upper balcony and its front porch, which invites you into a main level with bright, open-concept living spaces. A decor column off the ceramic tiled foyer graces the entry into the combined living and dining rooms. Finished with hardwood flooring, pot lighting, an elegant modern light fixture in the dining area, and the soft, natural light through the living room windows gives these beautiful, entertaining spaces a warm and intimate aura. The light-filled kitchen area is a great space for family time and for casual entertaining. Finished with ceramic flooring, pot lighting, sunshine through a south-facing window, and the light neutral tones of the kitchen brighten the entire room. Offering a functional workspace, the kitchen features abundant cabinetry storage, has plenty of counter space with breakfast seating at the peninsula, as well as a stainless steel double sink and appliances. Adding cozy warmth is a gas fireplace, and the space next to the kitchen is well suited as either a family room or as a breakfast area. The walkout opens to a low-maintenance and south-facing fenced-in backyard that features 2 gated entries for access to a rear laneway and to the front yard, access to a detached garage, and a large deck that offers wonderful outdoor relaxation and entertaining space. The main level also features 2 coat closets, one in the kitchen area and one in the front foyer, while beautifully curved oak staircases carry to the second and third levels. The second level features hardwood flooring throughout its hallway and in the 2 bedrooms, both complete with double closets, while the second of these bedrooms is quite spacious and has a south-facing exposure. Finished with hardwood flooring as well, the family room has a soaring cathedral ceiling and a 3rd-story window with display ledge, enhancing its spaciousness. Ideal for casual entertaining, this room also features a walkout onto a balcony overlooking the street and a wall-to-wall built-in media unit. Completing this level is a 4-piece washroom finished with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and with a linen closet just down the hallway. The 3rd level is a sun-filled master suite. With 2 south-facing windows giving this retreat a brighten, airy atmosphere, this room showcases his and her double-sized closets, hardwood flooring, a 5-piece ensuite washroom with tiled finishes, his and her vanities, a relaxing soaker tub, and a separate shower area with glass door, as well as a walkout onto its own private balcony. Across from the dining area is a sunken landing, off of which is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink, as well as access to the finished lower level. Off the staircase landing is a coat closet and a laundry room with washer and dryer, and the landing is spacious enough for a computer desk or study area. Laminate flooring and pot lighting are featured in both the landing and in the generously sized recreation area, and completing this level is a 4-piece washroom that showcases a vanity with countertop basin and a tiled bath area with a frosted glass shower door. Steps to TTC service and 2 neighborhood parks. This home is walking distance to Kimberley Junior Public School and Malvern Collegiate Institute, an arena and a community center, Danforth Avenue shopping, restaurants and entertainment, as well as the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations. The vibrant beach neighborhood is also close by, and it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect to the Gardner Expressway and Highway 401 for commuting throughout the GTA.